Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be walking through the deployment process for a computer vision model. So before we begin, here is a quick note. So deployment workflow is identically for both the object detection and the segmentation model. There is no difference in the steps. For this demonstration, I'll focus on deploying the segmentation model, but you can follow the exact same procedure for an object detection. And yes, one more thing. Uh, Please ensure that your model has been already trained and ready to go. If not, you can go back to a model phase, click on a train model, and some configuration would be pop up. Add all those configuration, click on continue, click on train model. So once a model is trained, you can see in a train block which shows in a model card. Okay, to begin a deployment process, we'll go back to a deployment page. Yes, here we are. Click on a create deployment. Once after clicking on create deployment, this will take to the repository page where you'll need to provide a name of your deployment. Here I'm just giving a random name for my deployment. You can give it your own. Once you have entered, click create. So after clicking create, you will get a pop-up message that your deployment was successfully created. Next, click on the train block. So here you can see a base block and a train block. For a deployment, we just need a train block. You go for a train block and select a model you wish to deploy. This is a recent model I have trained. I will just go for a deployment on this. So select a model. After selecting a model, you will notice a two button. So one is a clear session and the one is a continue. So use a clear session if you would like to go back to a model card and choose a different model for a deployment. This is helpful if you accidentally selected the wrong one. Otherwise, you can click on a continue. Once after clicking a continue, you will direct it to a configuration page. And since I have already chosen a train model, all the configuration from a train phase are automatically carried over. You can see here. And there's no need to modify anything. So I'll just simply click on update. After clicking an update, I'll get a pop-up message as deployment configure, and it will go for a deploy model page. So here you'll find a few options to choose from based on your resource needs. So selected GPU if you're working with a larger data set and need a faster performance. Choose a CPU for a smaller data set or a lightweight inference task. In this case, I have already selected the appropriate option. Now we'll go ahead. I'll click on deploy. And that's it. Deployment process is completed. Now we are on a monitor page. So once after the complete deployment is done, the status will show as a ready. Click on a view code to explore your deployment model. So from here, you can copy the server URL and paste it in a Google Collab, Jupyter Notebook, or even in your local VS Code to run an inference. Use this endpoint in your code to send a inputs and receive a prediction. I have already copied a one and pasted on my own Google Collab. Here you can see a server URL. So once after clicking on run, you'll get a result. So I have already got one. It shows a prediction B boxes, category vices. If you want to visualize the results in a real time, showing a version and image alongside a prediction, you can write a small script that uses a server URL to fetch a inference result. So like this. Here, this is a virginal one and this is an inference result. Here it is. We have successfully completed the deployment process. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.